Hi, welcome to the Native Wildman channel. Your host Sean Catfish Wilson speaking here. And on today's video, I am going to go over my one, two, three, four, five. Okay, you people know how to count, I'm pretty sure of it. My 5 favorite folding knives, or pocket knives, however you want to term it for your terminology. And yes, they are in order. My first favorite knife is the CRKT M16 by Kit Carson. See, Carson design. Okay, phone, focus. There we go. Not so much in the frame. Okay, as you see, it's got some decent jimping. I added a sharpening choil to it. It's got some good jimping on the flipper tab. However, it doesn't like to flip up all the way. And then this nice pretty bronze coloring, it's starting to get some wear on it. But still very, very beautiful, elegant knife, in my opinion. I love the fact that it has these holes all the way through. It's pretty cool on knives that they put holes all the way through like that, because I work irrigation, and a lot of times that has to do, I have to do wiring stuff. So those holes, you can stick wire in, shut your blade down on it like that, and then spin it around like a pair of tubing cutters. Okay, number 1. First favorite knife of all time. That's probably never going to change. My first 2 knives, honestly, probably are never going to change from number 1. Their places. My second one, similar blade design. It's a cold steel counterpoint one, and again, hey, has those holes in it. And these are both considered spear point blade. I like the spear points. This one has a false edge on it, which it wouldn't be wise to sharpen it, because then you'd do that and cut yourself. That wouldn't be good. And as far as pocket knives, this is really the biggest I like to go on a folder. A few issues I have is this likes to loosen up. So, other than that, I've had this knife for quite many years. Pretty long time. I bought it at the same time I bought my Leatherneck SF. And that was, let's say about wow, Well, I guess that's good. I can't remember when I bought it. The early 2000s, I want to say 2003-ish. Probably around 2003-ish. I also got the black version of this, and it had the, I don't remember what they call it, but it had a little red thing here as an extra safety that, okay, this is a scale lock instead of a liner lock. Correct me if I'm wrong on the terminology on this type of lock, please. But however, it's similar to the liner lock. Instead of a liner lock, this part just stays like this, and when you have the lock on the scale moves in. I have seen that Pacific CRKT at Smoky Mountain Knife Works. I'm pretty sure Blade HQ has it. And if you go through Blade HQ, Shooting Guy has a link to go through them to buy your knife. So if you go through them, check out Shooting Guy and use his link to buy knives. It doesn't cost you any more money. And okay, my third favorite knife is this case, Witch's Brew. It is a Texas toothpick. Once I shut it, I probably won't be able to open it up with one hand, but that's fine. Texas toothpick. The blade is real similar to a fillet knife or fillet knife, boning knife. And as the name suggests, you can use it for a toothpick because that tip's fine enough. This one still needs a little work done to it, but I'm getting it to where I like it. But I don't want to remove a whole bunch of metal unnecessarily to just reprofile it and make it prettier. But the colors of this is just absolutely amazing. I love it. Love the coloration. So it's my third favorite knife. My fourth is, looky here, another Cold Steel. This is a Cold Steel Mini Lawman. You can check around places. Your best bet's probably eBay or Amazon to find this knife. They don't make it anymore, so you'd either have to find it used or maybe get lucky and find a new one on eBay or something that somebody still has around to buy. Okay, that wasn't supposed to happen. Oh, hey, and I got new boots too. They're the same as my old boots, the exact same model, which I thought was pretty cool when I went to go buy new boots. I found my exact same boots and they lasted over 3 years. So Wolverines. What I like about this one is it has this finger choil here, so you can get more leverage and hold the blade in different ways. This is pretty good. I mean, I've got relatively small hands, so if you got bigger hands, you'd probably get a 3-finger grip, and that's the way it's designed. But I can hold it like that pretty comfortably, or like that. Oh, and another thing, this steel is hard to get too. I don't know of too many people that still make it, but Cold Steel, from what I've heard, is probably the best brand at doing the heat treat with this specific steel. Okay, number 4. Number 5, just because of how unique it is, and I like red and black together, and this is Boker Kalashnikov Black Widow. AUS 8. Oh, yes. This is Sandvik still. This is AUS 8. This is True Sharp. This is well, I showed it to you. I don't remember exactly. I always forget it for some reason, but that's all right. You can pause the video at that point. But this is AUS 8. This is my only automatic knife. And that would be my 5th favorite knife. And the main reason why I like this is just because of it's a unique type of blade for me. I only have one like it. And also red, like I said, red and black are real handsome together, look really good together. So my top 5 favorite pocket knives, and we'll throw in a bonus knife for you. My Wescoyrus titanium handle scales. Again, it has the liner lock, or not liner lock, frame lock mechanism. What I really like about that is the jimping it has here. And this jimping makes it really easy. And as you can see, it flips out fast enough that the camera doesn't catch the movement until it's almost all the way out and it's done made the sound. And it's, for its size, it's a pretty light knife. Please laugh at me, or with me. Please laugh with me on that one. It's kind of funny. So let me know your opinion about these knives and which ones out of the 5 is your favorite that I'm showing. I guess if you want to say the bonus knife, you can count the bonus knife too. So, peace and long life, my friends.